Nairobi, Kenya.
Jambo to Africa and the country of Kenya. In this video, we will visit the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust, which is located near Nairobi. This place is dedicated to preserve elephants, rhinos, and giraffes.
But if there are any questions about the rhinos, you are free to ask. Just raise up your hand and shout your question one at a time if you raise any, please.
We just have an hour here, so let's take a look at what they're doing. That one doesn't want to be left behind. There are several groups of elephants that come to feed. These are orphans. The preserve takes in baby elephants when their parents were killed by poachers or other phenomenon. Here comes more. When the elephants become mature, they open the gates and let them out. They can come back if they wish, but if they find a welcoming herd, they don't. The gates close in 3 days.
So if there are no more questions about the rhinos, we will talk about the elephants now. As I say, 27 will be joining us, but they're coming down in 2 groups. We do have a group of 12 coming in fast, and after that, the 12 will walk away, and another group of 15 will be joining us. They all have names. We've named them after the place that we rescued them, for reasons that are forced them to be left orphans. And that's how we can easily tell them apart. And we'll mention the names one by one, plus the approximated age. And I say approximated because we were really not there when they were born. And so we could not tell the exact age. But the number of things that we look at to give our approximation. And since most of them came in when they're still very young, it is very easy to tell. And that is why the difference between their real age and our approximated age is very minor. maybe a month or two might be the difference if there is any. And right now he's 3 years old. And any time from now, ready to go back into the wild and start the process of being reintroduced. To learn that all animals are important.
The hour is over and they head back to where they belong to spend the rest of the day. Thank you for joining us.
Or in the meat, the areas where all these animals stay.